welcome to the Line of Sight. Here are the top stories of the day. Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal exempts school vehicles from odd-even scheme. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh slams centre, says to fix economy, government must know what is wrong. Amit Shah puts speculations to rest, says JDU Chief Nitish Kumar will be NDA's Chief Minister candidate for 2020 Bihar Assembly polls. Close shave for inebriated man who jumped into a lion enclosure in Delhi Zoo. Video of him teasing the big cat goes viral. BCCI President-elect Sourav Ganguly plays it safe, says Modi and Imran Khan will decide on Indo-Pakistan cricket ties. New Brexit deal agreed, tweets UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson as he leaves for EU summit. Now for the news in detail. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announced that vehicles carrying children in school uniforms and two-wheelers dropping school children will be exempted from the odd-even scheme. The scheme will roll out from November 4 to tackle air pollution. He also said those violating the scheme will now have to pay Rs 4,000 instead of Rs 2,000 as decided earlier. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh launched a blistering attack on the government, saying that the BJP government is obsessed with blaming its opponents rather than finding a solution to the problem. Speaking at a press conference in Mumbai, he said that the economic slowdown has affected the aspirations and future of Indians. He also appealed to Prime Minister Modi to resolve the grievances of 16 lakh people affected in the PMC Bank scam. Speculations about a rift between BJP and JDU were put to rest after Union Home Minister Amit Shah declared that NDA will contest in Bihar polls in 2020 under CM Nitish Kumar's leadership. He also said that bickering is a sign of healthy condition and difference of opinions does not necessarily mean a rift. In a bizarre incident, a drunk man jumped into a lion enclosure in the Delhi Zoo. He miraculously escaped unhurt as the zoo staff who were alerted tranquilized the animal immediately. The man was identified as Rehan Khan from Bihar. The video shows him teasing the lion which surprisingly did not attack him. The man was rescued by the zoo officials and handed over to police. BCCI President-elect Sourav Ganguly said that resuming bilateral cricket ties with Pakistan is up to the Prime Ministers of India and Pakistan. The former Indian captain said this during a media briefing in Kolkata. India and Pakistan featured in a bilateral series last in 2012. A Brexit deal has been agreed between the UK and the European Union negotiating team, confirmed UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson. He tweeted saying, "We've got a great new deal that takes back control." The two sides are still working on the legal text of the deal. However, it will still need the approval of both the UK and European parliaments. It is expected that the new deal would see Northern Ireland being treated differently from the rest of UK. For more such videos, subscribe to the Federal's YouTube channel. And also don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn.